So, good morning. Last lecture we started with the next topic, that is the second topic, that is the biotechniques used in animal reproductions. In biotechniques, we studied the first biotechnique, that is the superevolutions. Superevolutions means by giving the injections of hormones and other fertility drugs, we can produce the several number of ova, that is 5 to 50 ova in one estrus, that is 17 to 21 days. Second, there is the biotechniques used in animal reproduction, there is the estrus synchronization. So these estrus synchronizations involves the manipulating the reproductive processes so that the females can be bred within the short, predefined and normal fertility. Third, biotechniques, that is the study is the embryo transfer techniques. So the birth of the first embryo of calf in cattle is reported in 1986 by the Andhra Pradesh Agricultural University at Tirupati. Now several embryo transfer techniques are adopted everywhere. And the fourth biotechnique, that is the cloning. Fourth is the cloning. So the cloning, so in biology, cloning is the process of producing similar populations. So in biology, cloning is the process of producing similar populations of genetically identicals. They are the similar populations of genetically identical individuals that occurs in nature when organisms such as bacteria, insects and plants reproduce asexually. That is more important, the asexually. So cloning in biotechnology refers to processes used to create copies of DNA, to create the copies of DNA fragments. So it is the molecular cloning. So in biotechnology, cloning refers to the processes used to create the copies of DNA fragments, that is molecular cloning, or cells, that is cell cloning, or organisms. So the cloning is the process of producing the similar populations of genetically identical individuals that occurs in the nature. So the example of the cloning is the dolly in sheep. Example of the cloning is the dolly in sheep. So the dolly is a fin dorsate ewe. So what is the ewe? It is the female sheep. That is the female sheep. Dolly is the fin dorsate ewe, was first mammal to have been successfully cloned from the adult cell, from the adult cell, dolly is formed by taking the cell from the other. Dolly is formed by taking the cell from the udder of her biological mother. Her embryo was created by taking the cell and inserting it into the seed ovum. Inserting into the seed ovum, the embryo was then placed inside a female seed that went through a normal pregnancy. She was cloned at the Roslin Institute in Scotland and lived there from her birth in 1996. So the dolly is the formula in 1996 until her death in 2003. So about the 6 years, dolly is produced in the 1986 and it can be lived up to the 2003, where she was 6 years. About the she was in the 6th year. So in the cloning dolly, the sheep has a low success rate. So they have the low success rate per fertilized egg. The dolly was born after 277 eggs. So the fertilized rate is low. So the dolly is formed after using the 277 eggs were used to create the 276 are used and to create the 29 embryos. To create the 29 embryos. So out of the 29 embryos which are produced, so out of the only 3. So out of the 29, there is only the 3 lambs are birth. So out of the only 3 are birth, and out of 3 the only 1 is lived. That is called the dolly. So for the productions of the colonies, the 277 are used to the 29 embryos. So out of the 3 the lambs are produced, and out of the 3 the only 1 of which is the live. So the cloning is the process of the producing similar populations of genetically identical individuals. So by using the cells or DNA fragments or the organisms. So the completed the second topic, that is the biotechniques used in animal reproductions. We studied the superevolutions, estrus synchronizations, embryo transfer techniques and cloning. Next lecture we started with the next topic. Thank you.